Hey guys, make jollof rice with me. What is Sunday without rice in African home, especially in Nigeria? What is Sunday without making white rice, jollof rice, or fried rice? So guys, come along with me. So guys, I'll be taking you through how to make a smoky jollof rice base. This is how to make your jollof rice smoky. And to get that party taste, this is the secret, guys. If you don't have oven at the moment, all you need to do is just to pour this into your pot. Just assume my pan right now is your pot. So all you need to do is just to place your tomatoes inside your pot. Then you're going to add your Maggi to it. So after adding your Maggi, I started by adding my rosemary leaf. Just follow this step by step I'm using. Once you follow this step by step, trust me, your jollof rice is going to come out well. I added my thyme, then I added my curry to it before placing it into my oven. So guys, we started by washing our meat. We're using our goat meat today, so don't forget to always use salt to wash your meat. It's very essential. So today we are using our goat meat. We don't want to use chicken, we don't want to use turkey, so I just want to use goat meat today. So I started by slicing my onions, and I'm going to add all my spices. I started adding my thyme, I added my rosemary leaf, then I added my curry powder. I'm going to add in salt, then I'll go in with my Maggi cube. So guys, don't forget that this base you are making here is your jollof rice. You have to be very calculative when doing this. Then I added my shallot to it for more flavor. You don't want your Maggi or your spices to be less or to be more. You just have to make it moderate. So you have to be very calculative, like I said, when trying to get this stock base right here. So I'm just like happy because I'm married and I am alone right now. So you can see our tomatoes and pepper, onions and garlic is out of the oven, and the aroma alone is just killing, guys. So meanwhile, my phone was giving me a very tough time here. Then I blended it. My phone was giving me a tough time, like storage food here and there. I was just glad I was able to get all this. Trust me. So I just wanted to know if my meat was cooked to the texture that I want. So now I started by washing my rice. I'm going to parboil it. Not too much, just for like 3 minutes or thereabouts. So let the cooking start now. Into my pan, I'm adding my sunflower oil. You don't want too much oil because you're still going to add butter. Don't forget that. You don't want your rice to be oiling, so just be careful with your oil. Added my tomatoes paste. You have to let it cook. You have to let it cook very well. Then I'm adding my tomatoes puree. This is what I got from the tomatoes I blended. The aroma was just killing. It was giving that jollof rice, like that party jollof rice aroma. It's everywhere was just scenting. I was like, okay, girl, I'm doing it. Do you know why I normally pour my rice first before adding my stock water? It's going to make it dry. Like, it's as if I'm frying this rice right now, you know. So I think that's my own pattern. You can as well pour your water before putting your rice. It's a big deal. But for me, I just wanted to do it like this. So as you can see now, this is how my rice is already looking. Then I went in with my stock water. Note please, you don't have to pour all the water in the world for your jollof rice, because it has to be like half done, not too done, and you don't want it to be too soft. So this is how my rice was already looking, and I was just like, I'm doing it, because the aroma was all over the place. And it was, I added my Maggi. Do you know why they add my Maggi when I was doing my gravy? Because I added my spices before blending that tomato, so I didn't want to have excess of it. That's why I have to add my stock water, then go in with it, mix it, and taste it very well to know how it feels. So now we're going to be frying our goat meat, because our goat meat is already cooked just to the texture that I want. I started by adding onions to my oil because I love aroma. So guys, I'm frying my goat meat. Those days when we're growing up, Sundays like this are one of our best days, because we've eaten rice. It's as if we don't used to eat rice, but that Sunday rice is just something else. It's something special, delicious. The aroma, the taste, everything. It's so different, guys. I know you can relate anyway. So this is how my goat meat is. I reserved some of my tomatoes puree because I wanted to sauce my goat meat. Now I'm frying my plantain. So guys, this is how I spent my Sunday today. Cooking and cooking and cooking. Yeah. So back to my rice to check. This is how my rice is sitting. My rice came out so pretty. Then I'm adding my butter, adding my fresh tomatoes and onions. I'm going to cover it for like 5 minutes so that it will be able to, So now this is it. It's so pretty. This food was so delicious. I added added my veggies because I wanted it to be so fine. So guys, our jollof rice is so ready, so ready, so ready. I don't want to cap, like, this jollof rice was so nice. It was so nice. So guys, happy Sunday again. I pray for us that this month of June is going to be a month of blessings, prosperity, happiness, and favor. So guys, this is my food. This is all it for today. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, so that you can see more of my content. Have a nice day. Bye. Thanks for watching.